I'm going to give you folks a short demonstration of the details and construction of a precision workpiece positioning fence. So this is something we offer on all of our vertical blade traveling table bandsaws, called the precision workpiece positioning fence. And people sometimes complain to me, Steve, why are you charging so much for that? And I say to them, I'm just not afraid to charge what I'm worth. The precision is not an accident here. So what we have, this side, the fence rides on a linear bearing, gear rack, synchronized. So we've got a gear rack on both sides with a shaft that goes between to synchronize the motion. I don't have it programmed up right now, but this is an electronic digital counter. You can see it in some of our other videos. It can read in millimeters or inches, or you can program for any scale factor, so you can measure furlongs if you want. But it gives you the exact distance and down to about 1/100 of an inch between the blade and the fence face. Adjustable here. Lock it out if you want to. Some details on the construction. I'm going to go to the other side here. In the background there is the actual machine this is going to go on. So I'll pull a cover off. So on what we call the operator side, back over there, the fence runs on a linear slider shaft with slider type linear bushings. It's a Teflon impregnated ceramic material. On this side, which we call the opposite side or expansion side, we run on cam rollers. So the top wheels here are fixed cam rollers. On the underside, they are eccentric cam followers. So we tighten these up till we get a snug fit and nothing moves. And with the covers removed, you can see that this is a double gear reduction running to the synchronizing pinion gear on the rack. And that's how we get such a smooth, precise motion. The other trick about this, the fence face we use here, 3/8 thick aluminum mill plate. Does a couple things for you. First off, the fence is always going to get scratched up. It's aluminum, so it's not going to rust. And a nice aluminum just for lightweight, because you're having to move this. Nice and thick, and it's mill plate, so it stays pretty much dead flat. Depending on the length of the fence, we put some additional reinforcement behind it to make sure it stays nice and flat. The other interesting little detail here, since this fence is aluminum and the table structure is steel, we have different rates of thermal expansion. Aluminum expands more with temperature than does steel. That's why we have what we call the floating side. So you're fixed on that side. This side can float in and out as thermal expansion requires without destroying the fence face. So there's a lot of interesting stuff goes into this, why we call it the precision workpiece positioning fence, and that's why I charge what I do, because it's worth it.